might want to grab a jacket.
Ooh, it's a little bit chilly today.
Good thing we'll be in a factory checking out some new technology.
We woke up on day 3 here at the Tampa Fairgrounds, and it was time for us to take a ride to Clearwater, Florida, and go on a factory tour.
Hi there.
Welcome to Lithionics.
Thank
Are we
you.
ready for a factory tour?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Well, let's get some safety gear on you and get the show on the road.
Oh, excellent.
We recently rebranded from Lithionics Battery to Lithionics. And this is to convey that we are moving really beyond the battery. The battery is the core, right? So that's just energy storage. You've got power conversion, power distribution, and those different systems and aspects that all encompass your energy management and your power needs. This is the first step in the process where we bring all the cell packs in here, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to level all of them off perfectly balanced.
And this is a special process that you guys do.
This is a process that you would only do if you actually assemble the battery. So if you're importing a battery and it's already fully sealed, you can't do this process. You have to trust that upstream somebody balanced them. Lithionics balances every single one of our batteries 100% before we start the assembly process. Lithionics is fully assembled here in Clearwater, Florida. A lot of competition really buys and distributes batteries. You'll see on the factory tour here, we actually assemble them. And when you assemble something, you really start to understand everything about that battery system. So this is our main assembly area for the largest batteries that we make here. It's also the highest volume production that we're doing right now. LFP, or lithium iron phosphate, has tremendous energy density. So when you look at versus something like lead acid, lithium's about 1/3 of the weight and 1/3 of the size in an equivalent lead acid power bank. Lithium also is more reliable, it lasts longer. So LFP we view as the perfect balance between power density, safety, and reliability. So this is only going to be 12-volt batteries in this area here. It's a little bit lower powered. It's a very efficient operation.
12-volt batteries, what's the application for those?
So 12-volt batteries are going into everything. You know, right now 12-volt is very much the standard, but 12-volt batteries are being used in the largest Class A motor coaches. They're used across boating platforms, you know, you name it. We work currently today with all Winnebago brands. If you're thinking about something that is going to be safe enough that we're confident with people sleeping on, near, beside our battery systems, you really want to opt for the safest energy system out there, and that's where we really found our niche. This is final test. This is where we do 100% charge, 100% discharge testing. We're looking at every cell and the whole battery fully assembled, exactly how it operates before it leaves the building.
So that's what this screen is telling us behind you.
Absolutely. So this we refer to as the battery birth certificate. So this is going to have all the data, millions and millions of data points on every cell in the battery. We've monitored the temperature and voltage, current draw, full charge and full discharge. So we know the entire characteristics of how that battery is performing before it leaves the factory. What makes our product so reliable is we have a true engineering team here that is really passionate about building the best batteries and designing the best batteries. If the engineering team sees a gap in the market, we will go out to other suppliers and see if we can fill that gap, but when we can't, they will just design something. This is a little bit of the mad scientist area, right? So this is R&D. We do a lot of testing of our own product through development. We do a lot of competitive testing just to make sure that we're living up to, you know, all the claims and everything like that. What we're looking at here is actually a test bench where we are testing alternators to the power gen side, as well as the inverters and BMS systems all in one. You're buying a premium system, you've got a premium system installed. We want to be there every step of the way to educate, to troubleshoot, to make sure that you have power when you need it.
So we've reached the end of the line.
We are in packaging, so everything's been fully tested. We're putting them into very efficient and environmentally friendly returnable dunnage packaging here, but this is the final stop before the product leaves. I think there's still a large percentage of the RV market and marine market really that don't understand that you can completely eliminate the need for a generator and still have power for days, sometimes weeks.
Eric, thank you so much for the tour.
Absolutely.
It has been fascinating. I can't wait to get us a Winnebago view so we can use the lithium power.
Now I feel like I've been educated enough to know what the positives are about a lithium battery, certainly Lithionics. I'm charged.